It's Roundup and Poison Ivy.
Yeah.
Back with Mushroom and Pink Hot Dog.
All right.
How's the psychometer today?
Psychometer today is good. Good fight.
Oh no, we're taking a video.
Thank you.
All right, you guys. So y'all ready to get back on the trail again? And this is the second episode in a row that we've got Roundup and Poison Ivy with us here at Mushroom.
Always a 10.
Second
Second. Third.
stokometer. No, the stokometer. Where's your stokometer?
I cannot say it right now.
Oh, so
You have marshmallow. You already ate two marshmallows. I figure it only later.
okay. Well, daylight's burning, folks. We better get hiking, or we're never gonna get anything out of here. Hello, everybody. Well, we got back out on the trail with Roundup and Poison Ivy today. And I'll tell you what, we probably have no chance at all of seeing any wildlife because this crowd is noisy. And but we're gonna have a good time. It's late in the afternoon. It's hot and muggy on a Sunday. And instead of watching football, we decided to come out here and do some hiking. So we'll see what we can figure out, and we'll give you all a tour of the Duke Forest, and we'll go from there. Alrighty then. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. everybody. Well, we're out here in the Duke Forest walking along this river here. And let me tell you, it's a little muggy out here for the end of October. Must be about 82 degrees and got a little bit of sweat dripping off of me in my shorts and t-shirts today. I guess I shouldn't complain because it's going to be cold enough anytime soon, and I'll be complaining about that as well. Well, kind of a rocky trail for sure. So, wanted to let all of our subscribers know how much we appreciate you all watching our videos. We're up to 28 subscribers, and I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a lot to us, and we're just trying to show people what it's like to be outdoors and enjoying the weather, enjoying the trail. It really does body and a mind good. So hopefully you'll all enjoy it. But unfortunately, this will likely be the last video that we'll be putting out for some time. It may be, I don't know, January before we get our next video out. I have a little procedure to go through. I have a little rhythm disturbance with my heart. That's called atrial fibrillation, which is pretty common. A lot of people have AFib, and it's one of those things that causes some problems for you, you know. For me, it causes a lot of both physical and mental fatigue. I feel tired all the time. And I came out here on the trail to try and wind my body up a little bit, but it doesn't seem to be working. So I'm gonna go into the hospital and let a cardiologist stick a catheter up my femoral vein and into my heart and zap those places that are causing that irregular rhythm. And I'm hopeful that when they're done, that it'll be fixed. If that's the case, then I guess the doctor has given me about a 2-month window of time where I'll be kind of not doing much of anything. Certainly not hiking the AT or doing any heavy climbing like that. So let's see what happens, and hopefully everything goes well. And yeah, we'll be back hopefully in January doing some winter hiking and enjoying some cold weather. I know Mushroom's not going to really be all that excited, but let's see what she thinks. All right. Well, I'm going to start hiking on here and keep going, see what we come up with. All right, take care. Bye-bye.
What you did is you stand here. Have you not hiked before? This is not with the turtle, baby. These are professional hikers, like Roundup.
I'm along for the ride.
Yeah?
That's what people are supposed to do.
Oh, the beaver did that? Have you seen that there in Michigan? You see that in Mars? How do you know it's a beaver?
Because the way it's bitten, see?
Don't touch it, it has rabies.
The rodent has been nibbling on it, right? To cut the tree down?
May rabies ang alin. The beaver.
Anything with moss on it, slippery.
Just hold your hand with a stone.
Figure it out. Wow, look at you guys bushwhacking. So where's the old stokometer now?
Oh, it's about 9 or 10.
Stokometer is wet. Sweating wet.
I like it. I'm sweating.
Oh, you got like ass crack sweat there, Poison Ivy? Because that's the best kind of sweat to have.
I feel it back there. I feel it sort of here. Now, it feels good to sweat.
Well, I don't know.
That you can reach and you just put your feet there and be hanging. Yeah, just like you hung yourself before you can reach the top.
So you didn't have Sherpas there to go put up all the handholds and ropes and everything?
No, somebody put only a bar that you can hold your hands.
Yeah.
Just hold your hands and you just do it like this with your feet. But of course it's really hard, so Arik will push you hard.
Oh, scary, scary, scary.
So we're not going there?
Yeah, we're going there.
No. You look like you're seriously thirsty.
All right, here's where we're going, guys. A little bit of...
It goes inside your backpack.
That looks impossible. Are you sure, PA?
Yep.
I am here now.
Oh my God, she's right.
This right here is going to be really slippery. That's probably the only slippery part right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, that's
Where it's wet.
45 degrees.
Just hold on, little.
Oh, that's easy.
Okay, perfect.
Let's see how Poison Ivy Princess does.
Look at Princess.
Tendenko.
Look at Princess style.
Tendenko. It means save yourself.
I hope she's wearing a bra.
Brush in.
You're not going to catch her without one.
My mama used to put cotton balls between the bra.
Okay. You just hold your hands here. hold the trees.
Okay.
Grip that.
America. Mushroom is expert.
Yeah, you
Put
just
that
hold here.
gimbal at all costs.
And you just put your feet
See, that's going to be really slippery right there. Just grab that tree.
Yes. You just hold this one and put your feet here.
This one would be a butt scooter. Just go right down on your butt. Slide right off the rock.
You can hold your hole and put your feet here.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, like that.
Look, ma, no gloves.
Look, man, no butt.
Where did the gloves go? Nobody said we need
How's
gloves.
Poison Ivy?
Tia is good.
Oh, except she has a bug in her hair.
That's you? Oh, hold on.
Okay. We're here. All right. We got this, Roo. We got this, Roo. Go, Roo.
Would have been easier to go that way.
No U-turn.
No, you turn.
Just pop your butt down on that rock and slide right down.
I thought you'd say something like that.
Show them longing. Up, Roo.
Put her down. Grab onto her and pick her up like a baby. Or not.
Try that. I used to be able to live. End of the third year, it's over.
3 years and 36,000 miles. Yep. For 12 coupons.
Once you start living that dream, it gets heavy.
But we're out here working it off.
Hear that frog, baby? Stuff is all slippery up here, so you gotta be careful.
You okay, PI? Mga babae. Next time we go that way.
This one?
That way.
That's for a different kind of shoes.
The next time we come, you have new shoes and everything?
A different shoe.
Look how your shoes are getting all kind of gnarled up and everything.
Yeah, but next time I get another shoe.
I know.
One hike per shoes. Wow.
Yes.
Her name is
That's awesome.
Wait, we did not to walk there.
I know.
We should walk there. Right? That's
Next
for a
time.
different kind of shoes.
You want to do it now?
No.
He's tired.
Yeah. You are very tired now.
PH is tired.
Okay.
It's,
Go
you
home now.
need a butt push.
PI is tired.
Lanky R you need gets a butt push up the steps.
She butt pushes me up the steps now.
How about you?
You have to like give up a coupon for that?
No, she likes to butt push me.
Okay.
It gets me.
This is the Everest summit. All right, we're gonna wrap this up. Mushroom. That's what we're gonna do.
Are you? Okay, round up. Come here.
So, how was your hike today, Mushroom?
Good.
Oh, good. there goes Poison Ivy over there. She's a little bit of a camera hog there. I think she likes to be in the camera. A video bomber, as it were. Uh-oh.
All right.
There we go.
Serious now.
So everybody have a nice time today.
Yes.
That was kind of a technical hike,
Yeah.
right? We did a lot of rock climbing, bouldering. Okay, we're testing out this new gimbal here, and it ain't working. There we go. All right, there we got her.
Gimbaled here.
We're being gimbaled.
And
Okay.
it's hot today.
It is hot today, so. But
That's my favorite hike so far.
I think Roundup and Poison Ivy, it was a technical hike for you guys. This is the first time you really had to really kind of get going there with those rocks and stuff. And
But we got new shoes.
yeah, you're so fabulous. All right, so
Have you seen her shoes? Have you seen her shoes yet?
yeah, we did.
Shoes.
Yeah, I did. I can't really move around, kind of squinch in a little bit so we can get everybody there. Yeah.
Okay, everybody come
Okay.
Hiking trash.
So
Goodbye, everybody.
this is Mushroom. I'm Pink Hot Dog.
Are
This
you?
is Roundup,
I'm Roundup.
and that's Poison Ivy.
Poison Ivy.
So we're out of here, and we'll see you sometime probably in January after I recover from my little operation. So
I'm not gonna get new shoes until January.
yeah, you can go ahead and get them, but just put them in your room
Try
and
'em out.
stare at them, like I do.
You're not.
I buy stuff and then I look at it and dream about using it. So yeah. Okay, so we're done. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Okay.